Happy face, friends! Happy fans! Today we are going to be checking out this package that came in the mail, and it was the Nyan cat. And I was so excited when this package came. This is the Jazz Nyan cat. So you can see it's a Nyan cat that makes noise. But the problem, but the problem is I'm having some trouble. So this is what the original Nyan cat's supposed to sound like, and the original Nyan cat looks nothing like this one. This is the Jazz Nyan cat. It's really different from this Nyan. So let's take some closer detail on this Nyan cat. So you see, instead of pink cheeks like the Nyan cat you were just watching, they're blue cheeks and a blue Pop-Tart body with a purple Pop-Tart, just like you were a little. So this whole thing is a little different from you were watching. Like on the original one, it does not have sunglasses, but on the original one, it has the same color fur and a rainbow behind it. Now let's see if I can get this working. Yeah, it keeps making that noise. No. It always makes that noise. Well, since this Nyan cat toy doesn't really work, I think this video might be a fail. Yeah, that's all it does. Let's see if it works. No, well, at least you got to hear some of the song. Total fail. Happy fans, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, one more question. What type of Nyan cat was this? The original Nyan cat, a ballerina Nyan cat, or a jazz Nyan cat? Goodbye, happy fans.